Have you ever walked along the beach and spotted one of these incredible creatures? That's right, we're talking about starfish. But hold on. Did you know that they aren't actually fish at all? That's why scientists prefer to call them sea stars. These amazing animals belong to a group called echinoderms, which also includes sea urchins and sand dollars. Let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of the sea star. One of the most mind-blowing facts about sea stars is how they eat. They have a mouth on their underside, right in the center. But here's the crazy part. To eat a clam or a mussel, a sea star will wrap its arms around the shell, pry it open just a tiny bit, and then push its own stomach out of its mouth and into the shell. The stomach digests the meal right inside the shell, turning it into a soupy snack, and then pulls its stomach back into its body. It's like having dinner without even needing a plate. Now, let's talk about those arms. Most sea stars you see have 5 arms, which is why they have that classic star shape. But some species can have way more. The sun star, for example, can have up to 40 arms. These arms are covered in tiny little tube feet, which look like mini suction cups. They use these hundreds, sometimes thousands of tube feet to move around the ocean floor and to grip onto their food. It's like they're walking on countless tiny stilts. What if a sea star loses an arm? Maybe a hungry crab or fish takes a bite. Well, this is where sea stars show off their superpower: regeneration. For many species, not only can they grow back a lost arm, but sometimes a completely new sea star can grow from the single severed arm as long as a piece of the central disc is still attached. Imagine being able to regrow a whole new you from just an arm. That's some serious sci-fi stuff happening right under the waves. Sea stars also have eyes, but they're not like ours. At the very tip of each arm, there's a tiny, simple eye called an eye spot. It can't see details or colors like we can, but it can sense light and dark. This helps them navigate their environment, moving toward shady spots or away from a sudden bright light, which might signal a predator. So a 5-armed sea star literally has 5 eyes to help it see its world. From their incredible eating habits to their regenerative powers and unique way of seeing, sea stars are truly one of the ocean's most fascinating residents. They play a vital role in the marine ecosystem, helping to keep other populations in check. So the next time you're near the ocean, take a moment to appreciate these stellar creatures. They remind us that there's always something new and amazing to discover. Thank you so much for joining me on this underwater adventure. If you loved learning about sea stars, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet. See you in the next video.